Hi. So in this video of lesson 3, we will learn how to use the word has. Now, you should know the word has, ha, the, has means this. Has in English means this. Ha, the, ha, the. Say it aloud 5 times. Ha, the, ha, the. So, has means this. And has is used for masculine singular noun. For example, if I want to say this is a book, I will say هذا كتاب, because you should know in Arabic book is called kitabun. Book is called kitab. One book is called kitabun. Kitabun or just kitab. Either you can say kitabun or kitab, means the same, refers to a book. So in Arabic, book is called kitab or kitabun. So to say this is a book, we will say hadha kitab or hadha kitabun. Similarly, if I want to say this is a boy, I will say hadha waladun. Hadha waladun. Waladun means a boy. Or I can just say hadha walad, right? Similarly, if I want to say this is a chair, I will say هذا كرسي. هذا means this, كرسي meaning a chair. Or I could just say هذا كرسي. هذا كرسي. So remember that if a noun is masculine, always use هذا before it, right? So if whenever you refer to a masculine noun, you will use هذا to refer to that noun. Like هذا كتاب, هذا ولد, هذا كرسي. Moving on, similarly, if the noun is feminine singular, if the noun is feminine singular, you will use هذه, 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 هذه. So you will use the word هذه. Again, هذه means the same, this, but it is used for feminine singular. So to say this is a girl, you will say هذه بنت. Bintun means a girl in Arabic. هذه بنت. If you want to say a table, this is a table, you will say هذه تابلة. هذه طابلة. هذه طا. طا. The sound of طا will be pronounced because the word طا is here. In Arabic, there are two words, letters called ta and to. Whenever you see this word to, it will not be pronounced like ta. Ta will be said like ta, ta, and it will be to will be pronounced differently. To. This will be pronounced to, and this will be pronounced like ta. Ta, to, ta, to, ta, to. So since in this letter table, word table, there is to. So we will say هذه طاولة, since طاولة means table in Arabic. هذه طاولة. And similarly, in Arabic, a tree is called شجرة. شجر, شجرة, شجرة, شجرة. Again, in Arabic, the word raw, this word, this letter raw, is pronounced like R-A-W, raw. So you will say هذه شجرات. هذه شجرات. So this means this is a tree. Since tree in Arabic is a feminine singular, so you will use the word هذه. هذه شجرة. Okay, moving forward. Okay, moving forward. And if there are two masculine things involved, you will use the word هذان. 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 هذان is used for the two masculine nouns. For example, if you want to say these are two students, so you will say هذان طالبان or هذان طالبان. هذان means these and طالبان means two students, because student in Arabic means, in Arabic we say students, a single student um, in Arabic will be said like طالب. طالب. طالب is a student, a single student, and طالبani means two students and two male students, obviously, because we are talking about two masculine things. Whenever you talk about two masculine things, you will use the word hazani. Hazani. Again, when we say these are two books, we will use the word hazani because books in Arabic are masculine, and one book is called kitab and two books are called kitabani. One book is called kitab and two books are called kitabani. So to refer to two books, we will say hazani, meaning these, kitabani, two books. These are two books. And always remember that hazani is used in the nominative case only when the noun is the subject. And if in case the noun is not the subject in the sentence, that is the accusative or genitive case, so this hazani will become hadaini. Hadaini. When do we use hadaini? When the noun is not the subject, right? Hazani is used to refer to two masculine things, but only when those things are the subject in the sentence. And when they're not, you will use hazaini. Moving forward, again, to refer to two female or two feminine things, we will use hatani. Hatani. Hatani is used when referring to two feminine things or people. For example, we will say hatani talibatani. Talibatani means two female students. Talibatani means two female students, right? Because in Arabic, a single male student is called talib, talib, and a single female student is called talibatu. Talibatun. So if we want to say two female students, we will use the word talibatani. Talibatani means two female students, and hence we will use the word hatani, meaning these are two female students. Hatani talibatani. Hatani shajaratani. Shajaratani means two trees. And again, trees in Arabic are feminine, so we will use the word hatani to refer to the trees. Hatani shajaratani. Hatani shajaratani. Again, we use the word hatani for the trees, right? So again, remember this, hatani is only used in the nominative case when the noun is the subject. Otherwise, in the accusative case, when noun is not the subject, we will use the word hataini to refer to two female noun or people. things or people, right? Tiny. Okay, so moving forward. So again, there's a word called hadhi that we just now studied for a single feminine thing or person. So again, hadhi is also used for when there are non-human plural things. Again, hazi also means these, and it can also be used for plural non-human nouns. For plural non-human nouns, whether masculine or feminine. So hazihi, the word hazihi is also used for the plural non-human nouns. Just now we studied that hazihi is used for singular feminine nouns, right? So now we're studying that hazihi can also be used for plural non-human nouns, whether masculine or feminine. For example, we can say hazihi kutub or hazihi kutubun. Kutubun is the plural of book, meaning books. Kutubun means book, books. Kitab, kitab means a book, and kutubun is the plural of kitab, meaning book, books. So we will say hadhihi kutubun. These are books. Similarly, in Arabic, the word sayyara, 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 sayyara is used. Sayyara, sayyara is used for referring to a car. So if we say sayyaratun, it means it is the plural of car, that is cars. Sayyaratun means cars, and hence we will use the word hazihi sayyaratun because the cars is a non-human plural noun, right? So that is why we will use hazihi sayyaratun. Similarly, if we want to say in Arabic, madrasa, madrasa, madrasa is used for school. It's used to refer to school. So if we say madarisun, madarisun, madarisun is the plural of madrasa, meaning schools. A single school is called madrasa, and the plural of school is schools, meaning madarisun. So we will say hazihi madarisun to refer to schools, meaning these are schools. Right? Moving forward. Okay, so there's one more word called haulai. 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 Haulai again means these, and it is used for plural, but for people only, including masculine or feminine people both. So we use haulai when referring to plural human beings, both masculine or feminine. So if you want to use uh, the word these for plural human beings, you will use the word haulai. For example, you will say haulai muallimun. Haulai muallimun. Now, muallim in Arabic, muallim. Muallim is a teacher. Muallimun is the plural of teacher, that is teachers. So you will say haulai muallimun. These are teachers. Similarly, you will say haulai atfal. Haulai atfal. Tifl, 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 tifl or tiflun is a child in Arabic. So if you say the word atfal, it means children, plural of child. So you will say haulai atfal. Haulai atfal. These are children. Now, please remember that haulai, the word haulai, is only used for people, not objects, neither animals. So haulai is only used for the people, human beings, right? So again, we just now studied that there's no specific plural form of this for things in Arabic. If you want to use this, the variation of this for non-human plurals, you will again say hadhihi, just like we studied. So now let's do a quick exercise. Now you just have to fill in the blanks. Give me the answers in the comment section. Some are done for you. So this is a quick exercise that you guys will do and give me the answers in the comment section. So don't forget to subscribe and share and like our channel, this video. So we meet again.